Hi Sunshines, welcome back to our channel MADCURLS. I'm Taylor Ann.
And I'm Lorianne.
And in today's video we are bringing to you another one and done. Mom, tell them what a MADCURLS one and done is.
A MADCURLS one and done is a one product wash and go.
Yes, we use one product to style our hair for the day, and we either approve it or reject it, whether it worked or it didn't work. Mom, tell them what the product that is up today is.
Today we are going to be doing Carol's Daughter Coco Creme Coil Enhancing Moisture Butter.
You picked it out.
I picked it out in Walmart, as usual, minding my own business, walking down the aisles. Should I have been walking down those aisles?
We can't seem to stay away from the hair product aisle.
I thought it was so cool. I love Carol's Daughter's stuff, and so I love the way it smelled. I opened it, and you're like, Ma, don't open it in the store. I'm like, I have to smell
She's
it.
notorious for like opening things and just sniffing. I'm like, Ma, you can't just. You don't even care if there's work trying to. I gotta smell it. I gotta.
Like, let me feel it. Like, Ma, you can't touch
You can't do that.
Like, this is not Sephora.
Yeah,
so,
like you can't sample. Like, this is not Sephora. Like no.
Or like I'll open it and I'll press down really hard and open it. When I pull it up,
You hear like,
oh, the lid came up with it.
But 9 times out of 10, when you do that, you do like throw it in the cart, and you aren't gonna get it. But
Yeah.
I'm still like, Ma, come on.
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm really happy that we're doing this today because you've been talking about this product nonstop.
I know.
We have really high hopes for you. You keep talking about the feel and the smell, and you're just really excited about this. So
I am.
I'm excited for you.
Thank you.
Okay. So Mom, tell them what makes a product MADCURLS one and done approved.
Okay, what we'll be looking for when we come back tonight is if our hair has retained moisture from this product, if our curl has definition, no matter what your pattern is, curly, coily, whatever, is it still defined, and whether it's held. And those are the 3 criteria: moisture, definition, and hold.
Those are the 3 criteria that make a product MADCURLS one and done approved.
Yeah.
So if you would like to see if this Carol's Daughter product that is new on the market is MADCURLS one and done approved, then
Just please keep watching.
please keep watching. So first things first, water. Water.
So I washed my hair today with Weed cleansing oil and conditioned it with Carol's Daughter almond mask. I love the way it smells.
You love the almond mask.
I love
I
that
have to
almond
try it.
mask.
I haven't tried it.
It smells
I have to try it.
so good. They had a almond shampoo, but it has that pearlescent look to it, and I didn't feel like doing this lather thing.
Yeah.
So I kind of.
I washed and conditioned my hair with Aussie. I did the Aussie Miracle Curls co-wash, and then I did the 3-minute Miracle in my hair.
Okay, you love that Aussie.
I love it so much. This line does have a shampoo, conditioner, and a mask in it, the Coco Creme shampoo, conditioner, and a mask, but we don't have those because, I don't know, why did we pick those up? Just after a while, it's just like
It's
we
just
don't
like,
need...
it's just like you don't need every single thing,
Yeah.
because we test so much, and we'll test today, and even though yesterday we were very excited because we got to use whatever we wanted to, it was not a testing day. So we got to pick and choose what we want to use.
Yeah. So I don't know. Just sometimes we feel we don't need to buy everything. Just the stylers we kind of like to try.
Yeah.
Some shampoos and conditioners and masks we're like, oh, we'll test these. Other times we don't. So this is one of those times we are just going to try the styler in this line.
Yep.
And that's what's going down.
I think it's going to be pretty thick. I've felt it since we've had it home, and it's pretty thick. You almost compared it to what? Did you say how thick it was?
To me, it felt like the As I Am double butter.
Okay, I didn't get that vibe
It's
at
very,
all.
very thick.
Double butter reminds me of the Miss Jessie's buttercream and all that.
That too. It's on those. It's on the line of
like
those.
moisturizers. I didn't get that. I just felt like this was going to be a very good styler. Like it's going to just like really hold.
I see. I'm getting the opposite vibe. I don't really style my hair with butter, so I'm very interested to see how this goes.
I wouldn't come back
This
to
is a butter.
moisturize my hair with this.
This is I'll insert a clip. This is very thick, and it says it's supposed to intense moisture and softness. So the hold factor, I can't wait to see what goes on with that because it is a butter, so I don't really know how the hold's gonna hold up. Go ahead.
It smells so good. It smells so mild. Like so it's definitely thick, and it's definitely, I guess, the butter consistency. But for some reason, that doesn't come to mind like this is going to be a double butter or a Miss Jessie's buttercream at all. To me, it's going to be a styler. Oh,
I doubt you sometimes, and you're right.
So soft.
So I'm not doubting you this time.
It makes this is not a double butter. This is not a Miss Jessie's like finishing kind of butter at the end.
That's the vibe I was getting.
No,
okay.
not at all. No, it's a styler.
Because I'm like, we're about to style our hair with a finishing butter.
No. And watch when you put it in your hair. Oh my God, gosh,
Okay.
it's so soft.
Hold
It makes that part of your hair soft. And it's not like if it were one of those butters where it would be slick and sitting on the top. It sinks right in to do the job.
Let's see.
Of moisture, hold, and definition.
So I'm going to go in with my first little dab here. Rub it. Okay.
Okay.
There it is. It's white. Very, very, very white.
But it doesn't leave the residue of whiteness in the hair.
Right. It's going down. Oh, okay, yep. Okay, it's soft.
Right.
Definitely slip in it.
Yes.
There is slip. Oh, it smells good.
Doesn't it? Mild.
Oh, we didn't tell you the butters. The butters that are in here, it says it's blended with coconut milk, coconut oil, mango butter, and maru butter.
Okay.
Maru. Yeah, it smells kind of like a mixture of all of them. It doesn't smell like cocoa, really. It's just a very light, pleasant smell of a mixture of all those butters. Mango and cocoa. Oh, yeah, and it's shiny. Ooh, okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Come through, Carol's daughter.
But I love that we're finding, hopefully this is a one and done, because I love one and dones for the summer, because they're just super easy.
Yes.
Yep. So this
I have
is
high
nice.
hopes for this one.
Right. Nice. That white just disappears into your hair.
Right?
It just disappears.
You see that? It's there, but it sinks right in.
Very nice.
It's very soft. It's like markedly soft. Like you feel that it's soft,
Yeah.
right?
So again, which makes me wonder how much hold it's gonna have, because it says, and when there's not a lot of hold, sometimes there's not a lot of days you can get out of it. So
You were saying lately you don't like this hard, crunchy hold anymore. You said you like this blowy kind of a thing.
yes, I like my hair to be more full, so I try to use a little bit less product. I'm not into the whole extreme definition and hold at the moment.
Okay.
I gotta section my hair more for this product.
It's so easy. It's like we're just putting it in and we're almost done and we can go about our day. I love one and done. We were slipping, guys. We hadn't done any.
And I would have
Ever.
picking up, but you grabbed it off the shelf. You were like, one and done. Let's do
I
this.
just love Carol's Daughter. Like every brand has something close to my heart, and Carol's Daughter, just something about Carol's Daughter I like, and I don't know why.
Yeah.
'Cause, she was out there when I first got started, but the black vanilla wasn't
Yeah.
like something I gravitated towards, other than the excitement that it was an African American company. But quite frankly, I didn't really like the smell of that. I kept making myself like it, but
But these companies seem to get better as they go along.
yes.
As the years go on.
But I love her mask. That Rasul clay, I think, won me back over this big chop and this journey, part of my journey. That Rasul clay, I think I mentioned it at least every other video. It's just really something
Yeah.
extraordinary. I love that.
And we have a video of the Prakashi Nectar, the leave-in in the gel. That's one of
yours.
my favorite Carol's Daughter wash and goes
Yes.
is the Prakashi. Love that line.
Yes, yes, yes.
Love- I
Okay,
like
as
that.
I've been telling you guys, I separate this side into 2 pieces, no more like 4. I do this part, like almost like 5. I think I even kind of did this side, split it into smaller pieces. My hair is growing, y'all.
Yes, it is.
What you guys been telling me. Honestly, what I'm going to do about it.
I think this is our last video before we get highlights, because we're getting those tomorrow. And so our hair is going to be highlighted some more.
Yep. So if there's any sort of loosening of the curl pattern, which generally happens for a few days, we will show you when you guys say, does it ruin your hair or ruin your hair? We'll show you exactly what we mean by it loosens your curl pattern for a few days, and we're prepared for that. But it goes right back. Just deep condition, and you wouldn't do anything crazy like put heat on it at that point or do anything extra. I just deep condition. Now, last time I tried to do extra with the AphoG, you guys know I like AphoG, that heavy duty protein treatment, and I did that the night before because that's the way the directions read on the AphoG bottle. I had never done that before, and it took forever for those highlights to process. So I'm not doing that this time. We are just going to shampoo, condition, and march in. Camera and toe.
Yeah, we're excited. So I think you can currently only find this product in Walmart at the moment. That's where we found it. You can't buy it from their website at the moment. And we paid what, like $12 for it?
Like $11.97. You know, Walmart prices.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I like this. My hair does feel very soft. My curls look good.
Very easy to
like
put
this.
through. I like the way it smells. I know. I'm so glad.
Yeah, the smell,
this.
the slip, the everything. This is nice.
The shampoo, like I said, was the pearlescent, but the conditioner, I might like go back and get that conditioner. I was impressed. It was in the bottle, white pump. The color was white. Sometimes these conditioners I'll start using as maybe co-washes.
Yeah, because you know that's my favorite thing to do. Co-wash.
Do my own thing just for the smell. But I do like Carol's daughter's shampoos and conditioners.
Alright, I feel like it's in my hair. And I feel like my hair is so soft, it almost makes you want to keep adding product.
I know.
Because you don't think it's there, but
I know.
I think I'm going to stop here because I think it's
I can't wait to see when it's dried if like we've added
it's already
too much.
big
It's
right
big.
now. My hair's already like on here. Where here it's already poofing up.
Oops.
A little bit.
White
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, is it in?
I believe it's in. Kind of a little bit of moisture.
Alright. So we are going to go let our hair air dry, or we're going to air dry in front of some fans. And we will be back to let you guys know if this Carol's Daughter product, this Coco Cream, is
one and done approved.
One and done approved. Okay, see you guys soon. Bye. And we are back. These are our results, and we love them.
Yeah,
we do.
We do.
Sometimes I think people think I speak for you, so why don't you start with what you think of your hair first?
I love it. I'm glad I got it. I'm glad I stuck by my guns, and I insisted that we get it. It's wonderful. It was like we just had it just went by so fast today. It was just like boom, boom, boom.
It really felt like boom,
it was just
boom.
like a quick one. It really was like a quick one done. Normally, like a process of doing a video is like 4 or 5 hours. Like it really just
went by really fast. Even the drying. It was like like an hour or less in front of some fans.
Even though it's kind of a heavy butterized product, it dried very, very quickly.
It dried very quickly. And our hair is moisturized, but it's light.
Yeah.
It's very light. So the product itself, I was saying, like, it's a thick butter. Like, make no mistake, this is a butter. It's thick.
Yeah.
But when it's in your hair is light, but it's moisturized.
It's a butter like a styler butter. It's not a butter like a double butter or the
right? It's like a styling butter, like you said. I'm fascinated.
I would put this in to scrunch out the crunch or as a moisturizer, right?
No,
it's a style.
It's a styler. Yeah, it's a butter styler. So to make a product MADCURLS one and done approved, there's criteria. There's there's moisturization.
Yeah.
Curl definition and hold. So the moisture we just touched on. Our hair is very moisturized. We were saying that again, make no mistake that this is a butter. So those of you who have those finer textures, be careful because it might be a bit much.
We were talking and I said, well, should we suggest that they could water it down? And you're like, why does everyone have to keep buying products and then watering it down? We showed that little trick one time with another line and it was good. But you don't need to keep buying different lines that are heavier than what your hair requires and watering it down. It's just find something else in the Carol's Daughter line, like we said, the Prakashi.
The Prakashi, their wash and go leave-in and gel. I think that would be great for those finer textures because it's a light leave-in and a gel. So if you were somebody with finer textures that's looking for a Carol's Daughter product, then I would go look at the Prakashi video. I will link it down below because we actually did it. We have a video on it, but I love that wash and go line. I think it would work great for finer textures.
But to have a finer texture and go out and buy this, why? If you're over someone's house and that's the only product you guys can use, then you can find a way. We told you
to work it out.
Just put a little water in your hand and water things out. But to go buy it and then just say, I'll just water it out, it's no purpose to that. There's so many other things out there you can try.
Yeah.
So,
but like we said, this is a butter. It is heavy.
If your hair can handle it, it's fabuloso.
Yeah, when it dries, your hair is light. You definitely feel all that butter and moisture. I feel it all of it.
Yeah.
So this moisturization, curl definition. Our curls are definitely defined. All of them.
All of them.
Oh, it's so pretty. Like they're like little spirals.
They really are, right?
Yeah. No, like they really like spiraled up. Look at
really
my bang.
Enhanced that definition.
Yeah. No, it's really pretty. I love it. And hold. So I was very shocked that there was a minor cast on it.
Yeah.
Very minor, which scrunched out the second you touched it, and it left you with that, what did they say? Softness. The soft, touchable softness.
And there's still a hold. I scrunched it out as much as I wanted to, but I still feel like a slight cast and a hold, but not a crunchiness. It's just
It's holding.
It's holding. Yeah.
Which is good because, you know, we'll get some days out of this. So I am so shocked by everything about this product. I love it so much.
Yeah.
It's definitely MADCURLS one and done approved.
Yeah.
Definitely one and done approved. I
Yeah.
think this is so awesome. So
Yeah.
you found a gem.
I sure did.
This is a gem. This is a brand new product by Carol's daughter, and I think it's a go.
Yeah.
If you're looking for a one and done with moisture, some curl definition,
Yeah.
some hold that's quick. This went by so
Yeah.
quick. This was
really
quick.
did. It dried quick. We dried normally the way we normally do, sitting by a fan, cold air, and it dried really quick.
And it's big.
It is
I had
big.
to step my earrings up. I had to like go bigger, take them up
Yeah.
a size because I was feeling really
Picked
cute.
and picked, and it just stays. It stays intact. The whole.
I gotta go somewhere with this. Where we going?
to the movies. We
Go
said
to the movies? Yeah, I gotta go out and be seen. People say, "Oh my gosh, I love your hair
See
so
and be
much."
seen.
It's Carol's daughter, girl. What is it? The Coco Creme Coil Enhancing Moisture Butter. Better get you some. No, but we
it's
like
good.
it. Good job.
It's a good.
You did good.
Thank
You can
you,
keep your job a
girl.
little bit longer.
Take it down.
All right.
I'll be holding this.
You'll
in
be
my
holding
room.
it. Well, I didn't say all of that.
Well, since
I didn't
was
say
my
it.
suggestion.
We'll have to discuss that.
Okay.
It might have to go on the shelf, my shelf, but the rest of it's Carol's daughter friends. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Is that it?
It's so simple. I think it's it. Like we've
Oh,
done it all.
did I? I just want to say that I don't think I said it, but there are no silicones, no parabens, no petroleum, mineral oil, or artificial colors. It says on there for those of you who want to know that.
Okay.
15 ounces in this. Light smell.
Very light smell. Mild, light.
You can buy it in Walmart, walmart.com. It's $11.97.
Did you say before it had coconut oil in it? Some people don't care for coconut oil.
Oh, yeah, so it has coconut oil in it. Oh, and I also want to mention beeswax. I think somebody in the comments one time mentioned something about beeswax. It does have beeswax in it. Mango butter, maru butter, coconut oil, and coconut milk. So there's a lot of moisturizing things going on in here.
Okay.
So, just so you guys are aware.
Yep.
But yeah, I think
But
that's
it's
it.
a keeper.
Yeah.
Yeah, we love it.
It's definitely a keeper.
Yeah,
I love it so much.
That was good. A good one and done.
Good job. Good
We have
job.
to go on a one and done scavenger hunt.
Scavenger
now.
hunt? Yeah.
Look for more.
Comment down below if you guys have any other one and done suggestions. Stuff you think that might be good for a one and done, and we
Yeah.
will get on it.
Yeah, I like that. That was really good. Really
Yeah,
simple.
it is.
Wow, our work is done.
Yeah,
It's
work
time
is
to
done.
play.
Okay. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching our video, and
See you in our next video.
see you in our next video.
All right.
Bye-bye.